Hi, my name is CJ, and I'm going to show you how to cut your cables based on the type of mounting kits you are using. Before you begin, make sure that your posts and handrails are firmly mounted and that all your foot covers are on your posts. Step 1. Determining your run type. There are 4 different types of runs that you can have with signature cable railing. You likely have 2 or more of those types of runs in your whole system. To determine the type of each run, lay out the mounting kits beside each of your posts. On each run, you will have tensioning kits at each of your end posts and sleeve kits on each of your pass-through posts. Determine which of the types your runs are based on those end post kits. Step 2. Measuring. You will need to cut your cables at different lengths depending on which run type you have. You will begin by taking the measurement of your first run, starting with one tension end and proceeding to the next tension end. Notice that if you have an H or G post that transitions from a stairway going up to a level balcony, your run does not start and stop but passes through the post. In this case, you will measure from the bottom of the stairway to the inside of the post at the top of the stairway. Then, you will measure from the outside of that level transition post to the level transition post where the run terminates. Once you have the measurements of your first run, you will need to subtract one of the following amounts depending on what tensioning kits the run is using. Now, transfer that new measurement to your cable using a Sharpie to mark your cutting spot. Step 3. Cutting. Using your cable cutters, cut the cable at that spot. You may find it easiest to keep one of the handles on the floor and push down on the top handle. Now, you will just need to repeat those steps for each of your separate runs of cable. Notice that since we transitioned from a 36-inch handrail height on the stairway to a 39-inch handrail height on the level balcony, we have one additional cable to cut at the top of this system. That's it! Cutting your cables is easy. We'll show you how to tension your cables with our fittings in the next video in this series. You can see all of our videos by subscribing to our channel at youtube.com/viewrail or by going to our website at viewrail.com.